Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working in my study. I'm here in my study and I've done a lot of changes to the study for the fall. Uh, I'm going to be using warm colors for the winter and the fall months so that the room would be cozy and really more inviting but fall-like colors. Uh, I bought I've changed my curtains. I've changed the pictures on the wall. I've pulled all of the decorative items off the shelves, and I'm going to be strategically putting them back on there so that I can make it the shelves pop out a little more and give the room a little more life. So those are the things I'm going to be working with today. I also did two different designs on my coffee table, and I want to share that with you. And I also want comments. So I want you to tell me which one you like the best. But those are the things. I'm using the colors of cream, taupe, gold and silver, and white in that room. So it may sound like a lot of colors, but it also is just to bring the room into a more cohesive and warm fall look for that room. So I want you to stay with me and I want you to help me out with that. So if you have any comments or any suggestions that you want to give to me, I'm always open. So just stay tuned. And here I wanted to show you the curtains. They are taupe and they have brown branches in the bottom of it. My husband and my son both said they didn't like the curtains. My husband said they look wrinkled, and my son said they look eerie because of the brown branches don't really look appealing to them. But I like them. I think they're really nice. They of a nice quality material, and they also of a nice color for the fall. So I wanted you to see it. Also here I took all the decoration off the shelves and I'm going to refill it with some really inviting looking things. And here, as you see, my husband has taken down some of the wall art that we had up for the summer and the spring, so we can replace it with these new pictures that I have. And I'm also going to finish taking down the curtains. I started putting up the new curtains on one side, and I'm going to take down the gray curtains over on this side as well. As when he finished hanging up the pictures, then I'll start taking down the rest of the curtains. So I want you to just watch those things we're doing. Okay guys, here is the completed room. You're going to see two versions of it because I did change some things on the coffee table and I changed some things on the shelves. So you may see a little change in the room at the very end. And here I wanted to take a moment out to show you some of the inspirational books I have here in the study. Sometime I come in here and it's really quiet, and I may take one of these books out and read some messages out of some of them because they're pretty good, pretty inspirational. And I also have the Bible in this area, and I'll sit here in this room and read the Bible. My brother gave me this plaque that I'm about to show you, and he gave it to me for my birthday about a couple of years ago, and it's the Lord's Prayer, and I got it on display because I want everyone to see it, and I was really pleased when he gave it to me. Also, I just wanted to share these pictures. These are new pictures that my husband just put up for the fall, and I want you to give me some feedback on these curtains. Let me know if you think they're too wrinkled looking or too eerie, as my young son said. But if you like them, also let me know. I did 2 coffee table displays, and tell me which one you like the best. This is my favorite, this one. But I did 2 different kinds just to decide which one would look the best. I love to hear from you. I love to hear some comments, some suggestions, or anything you might want to say about this room for the fall. And it is just that after the holidays, I may change it again. But it was a pleasure to do this room. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if so, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments. Let me know how you feel about it. And for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who's viewing my channel, thank you for coming aboard again with me on this journey. May God bless you. May God keep you. Música